So a friend of mine has dropped off a few more locks. This is in that collection. I never saw this brand before. Don't know if the camera can make that out. I think it says FTH. So it's pretty well worn. It's been, I'd say, many years inside a lock and exposed to the elements. So it's a little bit wiggly. I don't know if that's security pins or if it's just age related. But we'll have a go at opening it. Just using the old half diamond there from Sparrows. And I probably should have sprayed a little bit of WD-40 there because it feels very sort of scratchy. Aha! Voila! So I can't say much for their security, but it's a lock. There's one down anyway. Cheers, lads.